So to program this car, I'm going to be using an OBD device, and the OBD device I'm going to be using is the OBD Link CX. And to use this, I'll have to connect it to the OBD port of the BMW X3, which is for this BMW X 2017. It's located right here. Okay. Right here. Okay. So I'm gonna plug it in. As you can see, it's powered on. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is put the ignition switch to on position. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I download 2 apps for this registration. You're going to need 2 apps. Now, the 2 apps that we'll be needing is Beamer Code app and Beamer Link app. So the Beamer Link is used for registering the car, registering the battery to the car, and the Beamer Code is for coding the capacity of the battery to the car. And I'm going to do this registration through a screen recording because I'm only using one phone, and then show you guys how it's done. And you're going to need 2 apps, Beamer Code and Beamer Link. So first of all, we're going to use the Beamer Code to code the battery. So I'm going to make sure the car ignition is in on position, like I already showed earlier. So you're going to hit connect. We're using the OBD Link CX, so it's already highlighted. So I'm going to click connect. So it's connecting, showing the connection to the OBD adapter is established. Okay, so it's asking which model of the car. So I'm using the BMW X3, so I'm going to look for it. BMW X3. So I hit continue. Okay, so let's see which of these policies has the battery information. Let's try the car access systems. That might be the where the battery is located. Okay. So yeah, so it's like the battery is actually located in the car access system. So it's this is the battery. So it's going to ask which battery type. I'm actually using the 95AH AGM. 105 is the previous one that came with the car, but the one I bought was 95. So I'm going to use 90, which is the closest one, and then I'm going to click save. Okay. So start coding. So it's preparing coding. Let's make sure while this is going on, you don't open any doors. Don't turn on anything in your car. If you hear the sound, my EC just restarted. It's showing BMW connected drive. Basically, my display unit just restarted. If you can hear the sound, it just reestablished everything on my BMW. Okay. So the coding is completed, and I'm going to use the Beamer Link to register the car. So I'm going to hit connect. It's asking OBD Link, which adapter. I'm using the OBD Link CX. So connect. It's connecting. All right. So I'm going to go to the battery. and then you can see recognize the AH AGM. The previous one was 105. I changed it to 90 because the one I installed is 95, so 90 is close to it. So, and then I'm going to register the new battery. I click yes, and I click register. So it's registering the battery. Voila, battery is successfully registered. So yeah, so yeah, so the mileage, last battery replacement 136,480 kilometer. My second last battery replacement 29,440 kilometer. Okay, and that is it. So I'm going to take this car for a spin and make sure that everything is working correctly. Right, I'm going to turn on the car. So the car is turned on. Fasten seat belts. So there's an alert on my car. I checked the message. It sets time and date. You know, because I replaced the battery, so it's requesting to set the time and date. So I'm quickly going to do that. First, I'm going to go to iDrive settings. Go to date time. What's the time? Time here is 3:39 p.m. Just set it to 3:40 p.m. and then today's date is 22nd of September 2025, and then that's it. So that's cleared out the message. All right, so there's no more notification here, so we're good to go. So I'm going to put the car on drive, on reverse, and then take this car for a spin. Excellent. So far everything drived okay. There doesn't seem to be any issue. My window works. Okay, everything works as it's supposed to. Alright, thanks for watching. If you learned something from this video, please give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you once again. See you next time.